everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to help you finally understand those three little words that often cause big confusion: how, as, and like. I know they can seem similar, but each one has its own special job in English. Let's break them down together, nice and easy. Let's start with how. We use how when we talk about the way something is done or the manner in which something happens. For example, how do you make pancakes? Here I want to know the method or the steps. Next up is as. We use as to mean in the role of or in the same way. For example, he works as a teacher. This means his job is a teacher. Or do it as I showed you. This means do it in the same way I showed you. Now let's talk about like. Like is used to show similarity, to compare things. For example, she sings like a professional. This means she's not a professional, but she's very similar. Or it tastes like chocolate. Again, it's not chocolate, but it's similar. So remember, use how for ways or methods. Tell me how you did it. Use as for roles or the same way. He acted as the leader. Use like for comparing things. You run like the wind. Let me give you a quick quiz. Fill in the blanks. Which one is correct? She works blank blank a nurse. Yes, it's as. She works as a nurse. How about he swims blank blank a fish? That's right, it's like. He swims like a fish. And finally, show me blank blank you did it. That's how. Show me how you did it. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and check out my other videos for more tips like this. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.